Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make tortillas. This is very easy to make. You need only 4 basic ingredients for this amazing recipe. It's super soft. It turned out so delicious. I served this with some salad and chicken kebab. This is easy and it's so delicious, guys. Try this and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. Let's get started. In the mixing bowl, I added in flour, salt, baking powder, oil. I'm using sunflower oil. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. After, make sure you stir this together till it forms a breadcrumbs consistency. Create a well in the middle and add in the milk. So the milk, I didn't add it to it all at once. I added it to it bit at a time until it formed a dough. Once it's formed a dough, I knead it for about 6 to 7 minutes or 5 to 7 minutes 5 to 7 minutes. So the dough shouldn't be sticky at all. This should be the consistency. It shouldn't be sticky. After, I'll turn it back in the bowl, cover it with a kitchen napkin, and then I'll let this sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, I'll transfer the dough on my work surface and then I'll divide it into 8 equal parts. So mine was around 70 to 80 grams each. When done, bring one of the dough, roll it in the ball shape on your palm and keep it aside. But if you have a big working surface, you can roll it on your working surface and make sure you have or you obtain a round ball shape, like a round shape, and keep all aside until you are done with the rest. After, sprinkle a little bit of flour on your work surface, transfer one of the dough on it, sprinkle a little bit of flour on top, and roll this bad boy out. So when rolling, make sure it is flat. You're looking for less than 2 millimeters the thickness, so make sure it's flat. At least it should be around 1 millimeter. You want to roll it flat, but not that thin, no. And when rolling, make sure you try your best to roll it in a round shape. If not, use a lid to cut a round shape and this bad boy is ready to be cooked or to be fried. That's what you're looking for. So transfer it into your saucepan and please make sure you set your fire on medium low and let it cook slowly. Once you see bubbles forming on top, flip it and then let the other side cook as well. So mine took like 2 minutes on both sides. This does not take time at all, so stay close to it and keep flipping till it's done. So what I did was to roll all out and kept it aside and then fry it one at a time. Just stay close to it and keep flipping until it is ready. Maximum 5 minutes it should be ready because this is very flat. So this is what you're looking for. You're looking for something like this, and this is super soft. You can fold it, it will not tear. Just look at it, guys. This turned out so delicious, guys. This with my chicken barbecue chicken kebab. Oh guys, you need to try this. You can go in with anything. You can use fried egg, anything at all. Just look at it. This is super soft and it turned out delicious. Delicious, guys. Try it and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. If you like this recipe, please give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, see you in my next video. Till then, adios. So what I serve this, you can serve it anyhow you want it, but I prefer doing it this way by adding a little bit of salad, tomato, fresh tomatoes, red onions, some barbecue sauce, and you're ready to go. This is very easy. It turned out so delicious. Try it, please. You don't know what you're missing. Try this recipe and let me know, guys. This is delicious. See you in my next video. Till then, adios. Bye bye. And you're invited. Love you all. See you soon. Ciao, ciao. Bye bye. Bye bye.